Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually back up your Shopify store. This is an important step that every store owner should know, because while Shopify keeps your data safe on its servers, having your own backup gives you extra protection and peace of mind. Let's go through the process step by step. First, we'll start by exporting your store data. In your Shopify admin, go to Products, then click Export. You'll be asked what you'd like to export. You can choose all products to make sure you're backing up everything. Then, pick your preferred file format, such as CSV, which works perfectly with Excel numbers or Google Sheets. Finally, click Export to download the file to your computer. You'll want to repeat this process for other types of data too, like collections, inventory, orders, transfers, and gift cards. Doing this ensures you have a complete backup of all your important store information. Next, there are some items that Shopify doesn't include in exports, so you'll need to back them up manually. Start with your product images. Go to the product section, open any product, click on its image, and select Download. Save those images to your computer or a cloud storage folder. You'll also want to save your product descriptions. To do that, open each product page, scroll down to the description box, and copy that text into a document or spreadsheet. Dan. Single quotes to forget your blog posts if you use them. Go to Online Store, then Blog Posts. Open each post, copy its content, and paste it into a document or file where you can store all your articles safely. Now, let's back up your theme files. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store and then Themes. Find your current active theme, click the three dots next to it, and choose Download Theme File. Shopify will email you a link to download your theme in a .zip or .tar.gz format. Once you get that link, download it and store it securely. If you just want a quick backup inside Shopify itself, you can also click Duplicate to create a copy of your theme directly in your account. That way, you always have a fallback version if you need to restore it later. And that's it. You now have a full manual backup of your Shopify store, including your products, content, and theme files. Make sure to keep these backups stored safely, either on your computer or in cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox, so you can easily restore them if anything ever goes wrong. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and leave a comment below if there's another topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.